Kids' FunTastic Learning Channel.
Hello, little explorers! Today, we are playing Guess the Animal by Sound. You will hear an animal sound. Then you have a few seconds to guess which animal it is. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends so they can play too. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Let's begin. Listen closely. Can you guess the animal? It's a dog. Great start. Here comes the next sound. What animal makes this sound? It's a cat. That was a sweet one.
Do you know this animal?
It's a cow. Moo moo.
Which animal is this?
It's a horse. Nice guess.
Can you guess it?
It's a pig. Oink, oink.
Listen to this soft sound.
What animal is it? It's a sheep. Ba ba.
Can you name it?
It's a goat. Good job.
Listen carefully.
Which animal makes this sound? It's a chicken. Cluck, cluck.
What animal is this?
It's a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Can you guess this one?
It's a duck. Quack, quack.
What animal is it?
It's a goose. That was loud.
Get ready.
It's a turkey. Gobble, gobble.
Here comes a silly one.
Can you guess it? It's a donkey. That was funny.
What powerful animal is this?
It's a lion. The king of the jungle.
Here comes another big sound.
Can you name this animal? It's a tiger. Amazing. Listen closely. It's an elephant. That was a big one.
Get ready for a playful sound.
It's a monkey. Great guess.
Can you guess it? It's a gorilla, strong and powerful. Here comes a nighttime sound. Which animal is this? It's a wolf! Ow! Listen to this deep sound. It's a bear! Well done! Listen carefully. It's a fox! Nice listening. Here comes a sky animal. It's an owl! Hoo, hoo. Listen to this talking bird. It's an eagle! Sharp ears! Here comes the next bird. What animal is this? It's a parrot! Listen closely. Can you guess it? It's a crow! Here comes a jumpy animal.
It's a pigeon. Good job.
Can you guess this animal?
It's a frog.
Here comes a tiny sound.
It's a snake.
What animal is this?
It's a bee.
Here comes a night sound.
It's a mosquito.
Here comes a tiny sound.
It's a cricket.
Listen to this ocean sound.
It's a dolphin.
Here comes a deep ocean sound.
It's a whale. Beautiful sound.
Listen carefully.
It's a seal. Great job.
Here comes another ocean animal.
It's a sea lion. Nice one.
Listen closely.
It's a penguin. Cute guess.
Here comes a desert animal.
It's a camel. Good listening.
Which animal makes this sound?
It's a zebra. Great job.
Here comes a jumping animal.
It's a kangaroo. Nice one.
Listen closely.
It's a koala. That was a surprising sound.
Here comes a gentle animal.
It's a panda. Well done.
Which animal is this?
It's a deer. Good job.
Here comes a small animal.
It's a squirrel. Great ears.
What animal makes this sound?
It's a rabbit. Soft and cute.
Here comes a tiny pet.
It's a hamster. Nice guess.
Listen carefully.
It's a guinea pig. That was adorable.
Here comes a squeaky sound.
It's a mouse. Squeak, squeak.
Listen closely.
It's a rat. Good job.
Here comes a night animal.
It's a bat. That was tricky.
Can you guess the last animal?
It's a peacock. You made it to the end.
Wow, you did amazing! You just guessed 50 animal sounds. How many did you get right? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this game with your friends and family. See you in the next guessing game. Bye, explorers!